Welcome once again to your channel Aslo Easy. Today we show you 3 easy and practical ways to fold your jeans. Let's start with the first one, which we call the sack shape. With the pants face up, we fold it in half. Once we have it at the knees, we make a fold again. We also fold the tip of the pants, and at the waistband, more or less at the height of the pockets, we fold again. And as we see in the picture, we fold again and insert it in the hole of the waistband. This shape is ideal for storing our pants on shelves, since we can put them one on top of the other without the fear that when we take out the bottom one, all the top ones will fall apart. Look how it looks. The second way we have called bun shape. We fold the pants in half, and from the bottom at the knee we fold again. We fold the tip that protrudes and we almost have it. One more fold and we start to roll it up. Personally, this is the way I like the most. In fact, I keep my pants like this. It is ideal to put in drawers or when we travel to save space in the suitcases. We have named this third shape as the toothpick shape. With the pants face up, each of the legs are folded up to the waistband. And from there, each of them in half. And as you can see in the picture, we fold one over the other. From here, you could pass a hanger and leave them hanging, or fold the tip as we see, and again in half. They are very compact, ideal for drawers and shelves. This way is also very good because we see the pocket and we know what pants we are going to choose to wear. And this is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. If so, subscribe and see you in the next video.